Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a life insurance policy with State Farm step by step clearly. Visit the State Farm website or download the State Farm mobile app. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Find the section for life insurance products. Review the different types of life insurance offered, such as term life and whole life. Select the type of policy that best meets your needs. Click on the Get a Quote button for the chosen policy type. Provide your personal information, including your age, health status, and lifestyle habits. Enter details about the coverage amount you desire and the policy duration. Review the quote generated based on your inputs. Adjust the coverage amount or policy type if necessary to fit your budget. Click on Continue to proceed with the application process. Fill out the application form with required personal details, such as contact information and beneficiary information. Answer any additional health questions, as these can affect your premium. Submit your application and wait for a confirmation message. A State Farm agent may follow up with you for additional information or to clarify details. Review the policy documents provided by your agent once your application is approved. Make your first premium payment to activate your policy. Store your policy documents in a safe place and note important details like your policy number. Consider scheduling regular reviews of your coverage to ensure it meets your ongoing needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.